to all viewers and subscribers of Yard and Foreign Life TV. Today we're gonna make potato pudding. So we have like about 2 pounds of potatoes. That's sweet potatoes, and we're gonna peel them, grate them, and add some more ingredients to it. So this is what it looks like when it's grated. So we're gonna add some flour to it and some more ingredients, so stick around, stay tuned. Now, so we're gonna add 1 cup of flour to this 2 pound grated sweet potato. So we're gonna add a cup of flour and mix. So while this is at a consistent color, I'm going to add some dry spices to it, like cinnamon, nutmeg, and a little bit of salt. I'm gonna add like 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a whole nutmeg. Trying to make this a consistent color. Remember guys, if you haven't subscribed to this Yard and Foreign Life TV YouTube channel, please do so. Like and share this video and make comments. Tell me if you try this recipe and how it came out. This is pretty easy. For all the potato pudding lovers, this is pretty easy. Alright, it's coming to that nice color. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna throw my liquid ingredients in another container, add them all up. So I'm gonna add about quarter cup butter, I'm gonna add 1 sachet of coconut milk. These are my liquid ingredients. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm gonna put some liquid to this ingredient. I'm gonna put some water. I'm gonna put like 3 cups of water. I'm gonna add 3 cups of brown sugar to this ingredients. And then mix. So we're going to mix this thoroughly, make sure everything is consistent, and then add it to the sweet potato, the dry ingredients. But this is what it should look like after mixing thoroughly. Alright, now we're going to add to the dry ingredients. So this is what it looks like. We're going to add to the dry ingredients. So take it step by step. Don't throw everything in there all at once. We don't want it to be a dry pudding, and we don't want it to be a soggy pudding. So we are looking for a particular texture. So you can add some browning to this if you want it to be a little bit darker. I'm gonna add some rum to it. Real Jerry and never rum. That's good enough. Then add some Grace browning. Guys, remember to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video, and give it a thumbs up. If you have learned anything new from this or anything at all from this, please put it in the comment section what you have learned. So this is the color and the consistency that we're looking for. A dripping consistency, dripping texture. Just a drip, not too loose, not too thick. Now we're going to add to our pan, to our baking pan, and bake at about 350 degrees. Remember to subscribe to this channel, Yard and Foreign Life TV. Like this video, share it, give it a thumbs up, and when you try this recipe, make comments on how it came out. So ladies and gentlemen, we're going to put this pudding mixture in an oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're going to bake this for about an hour and 45 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, look there. Look through the oven window on the cake. You see it look good? Yeah man, nice. So here we are good now. We are going to take it out and see what I go on. Remember to like, subscribe and share. Take it out and see what I got. Wow. Oh, and that look good. Yeah man, so we'll go and make it cool. We'll go and make this cool and then dive into it and see how it tastes. Stick around and stay tuned. Remember to subscribe to Yard and Foreign Life TV. Share this video and maybe check out it later. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, see the finished product here? Feel firm. That's how you want it. There you go. Dig a knife into it. See that come up good. It's a pudding make. So see the finished product here. Nice sweet potato pudding. Enjoy. Remember, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so, Yard and Foreign Life TV, and like and share this video and give a thumbs up. Try this recipe and make comments to say how it came out. Bye for now.